Welcome to this tutorial on the interface of Photoshop. In this tutorial, I'm going to give you a quick tour of the Photoshop interface so you get started with the basics of the Photoshop program. Let's start with the menu bar. At the top of the screen, you will see the menu bar which contains all the menus and commands for Photoshop. Here you will find options to open and save files, edit image, create new documents, and more. Below the menu bar, you will see the option bar. This bar displays the options for the currently selected tool. For example, if you select the brush tool, the option bar will display options to change the size, opacity, and hardness of the brush. On the left side of the screen, you will see the toolbar. This is where you'll find all the tools you need to work on your images. Some of these commonly used tools are the Move tool, Crop tool, the Brush tool, the Selection tools, Eraser tool, the Clone Stamp tool, and a lot of them. On the right side of the screen, you will find a panel. This panel are used to display additional information and settings for Photoshop. Some of these commonly used panels are the Layer panel, the Property panel, the Color panel. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the status bar. This bar displays information about your document, such as the zoom level, the file size, the color mode you are using. Finally, in the center of the screen, you will see the document window. This is where you'll be working on your image. You can zoom in and out of the image using the zoom tool. That's a quick tour of the Photoshop interface. By familiarizing yourself with the menu bar, option bar, toolbar, panel, status bar, and document window. Now you can also customize the interface to your liking. You can put the tools wherever you want. You'll be able to navigate Photoshop more efficiently and effectively. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Photoshop tutorials.